Alright, so here we have the 05 645 BMW rear shock. Here's the clamp tool, the shock, the spring itself. Billstein B4. This I got off eBay, so it's a little bit loose, but hopefully it'll work. These two pieces, I think this was like $17 and this was like $5. Since this is a build off, it's an off-car build, it's just cheaper to buy it than trying to take everything apart. 19 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 3/4. So you go down and you go up one. Can you pause that? Alright, so this part, this eBay part, when using the small clamps, it's kind of hard to wedge it in there. You can't put it in if it's on the shaft, so just try to do your best to wedge it in, or you may even want to throw it into the spring prior to clamping it down. Okay. Just kind of lift up a little bit. This part goes on. And here's the Lemforder top. You're going to want to back this one back out. Catch the edge with the new one. Sink that in. Let them go to the edge. And you're going to want to keep clamping down. Okay. Everything is still where it's supposed to be. The orientation I saw in the pictures, this edge needs to be in line with this. Then just put on this part needs to be up, so concave. Just bolt it down. Just twist and lift. Alright, pause it. So everything is tightened up. The orientation, when you put it in the clamp, put this edge in line so you can see it, and it has to be in line with this, and then you just start to unlatch it. Wasn't expecting that. Done. Alright, so I hope to help someone out. I think I did these back. These were about $107. So for about $215 plus these parts, I think I'm in these for like pause that for a second. Alright, so the whole setup cost me about $465 to do the rear, and I think about $575 to do the front. So you're going to invest a little bit over $1,000 to do a BMW shock setup, but it's worth it. Alright.